Mr. Jadin, it's time for your acting, sir.
Forget that. I was in the middle of a race right now.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bother you.
All right.
Okay.
Come in.
Mr. Jadin, you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, come on down. Come on down.
Wait.
Oh, we'll have to go to makeup first.
I don't want to wear that.
I know. That's all part of acting. Sorry.
This is season 2. We're making cupcakes. I don't know why. Carrie made this idea, so yeah. Just shout out to her for some reason. And let's get started. Alright. This is... Faster. Woo! Yeah. Cake mix is already empty. Next up, oil. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Splat. Splat. Then the water. This is easy. And eggs. All right. Now we're gonna hold on to this electro mixer. Magic is about to happen. Alright, once we're done mixing, now we gotta pour this stuff in. Yeah. Alright. Now it's time for this part, the pouring. Let me guess, this is like halfway. And we have 4 more. Wow. Jeez. Oh, yes. This is some good chocolate. It feels like I'm in a chocolate heaven right now. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, that's some good stuff. All this chocolate feels like being in heaven, but inside my mouth. Oh, yes. That is some good chocolate. Oh, yeah. Oh man, that sugar's got a lot of calories in it. Oh, I can feel it having a sugar rush all day. Oh man, that is so good. Yeah. Woo! Oh, that is so good. Oh, it's a double chocolate heaven. Oh man. That is a lot of good chocolate. Oh man, making cupcakes was the best. Uh-oh, I'm out of sugar. Oh man, that was such a rush. Now time to take these cupcakes out of the oven. Gotta do them much quicker. Yeah. They're all out now. Alright. I'm gonna close this baby shut and bam.
You ever get the taste for something different? Something that just brings you somewhere else? Sometimes you go into the fridge and you reach for a green bottle and you open it up and you twist the cap and you pour it in. Oh yeah, that looks good. That tasted great. Loved it. Spruce beer, available in IGAs all across Quebec, not Ontario because we're too cool for that. Enjoy Spruce beer, a taste of the great outdoors.
Alright, time to make our icing now. Gotta put this icing sugar in, all of it in. Alright, that's how we get this going. Get this butter in here. Get the butter, get the butter, get the butter in. Whoa. Cupcake time, cupcake time. For my cupcakes, it only costs a dime. Right. Scrape it in there. All right. Now it's time to get the electric mixer. extracted. Wow. Ooh. 1 tablespoon. I think that's 1. Now it's time for a tablespoon of milk. Gotta be careful. And here's a tablespoon of milk. And that's it for the tablespoons. Now we're gonna put that in. Put this on that. And then do that. Hold on. Come on, twist it. Alright, now it's time to do 5 red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time for a touch of blue. That's right, just 1 single touch of blue. Touch. Ooh. Instead of making this white, we're making this purple. I can say, purple's a good color. All right, I'll give this one to my mom. Here you go.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
What do you think?
Really good. Super good. All right, time to do the decorating. Oh, that looks perfect. Oh, some of it is squeezing out. Just gotta keep squeezing it on here. Squeeze it all the way. Get it on there. Yeah, that is how it's done. Woo! Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you later on episode 3. Bye-bye now. Before I say bye-bye, I have to do a taste test. Oh, this is gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good. Oh, it's so good. Bye. Oh, what's taking so long for my food? I don't want to start until oof. No, seriously.
Oh, Mr. Jadin, so sorry to keep you waiting. Here's your cinnamon bagel, like you like it, sir. I'm so sorry.
I'm not gonna fire you. Goo goo, goo goo.